Hey guys, Tyler from Advantage Auto Pro. We're about to do a timing belt on our ALFA ROMEO 4C here in water pumps, so stay tuned and see how it's done. Thank you. All right, next stage, let's get this timing belt done. Well, we're at that point now, ready to start going back together. Now, you'll see a lot of instruction videos and guides on forums, if you're doing this yourself, saying remove the cam gears to take the water pump out. Let me assure you, you absolutely do not have to. The pump, which I think I just left up front there, is like that wide. It literally will clear the back here and just pops out and falls out. There's no reason to it. Taking cam gears off cars can open up a can of worms you really don't want to get into sometimes. If they have to come off, we take them off, but it's one of those things. If you don't have to, just leave it alone. Okay, let's get back to putting this back together.
What you do, get down on the floor, shake your body so nice. Everybody just get down in the place to be. Forget your cares at the door, most definitely. That's right, that's right, yeah. Get it right, all night. Do what you do, get down on the floor, shake your body so nice. Everybody just get down in the place to be. Forget your cares at the door, most definitely. That's right, that's right, yeah. Get it right, all night.
got to put all the body back on.